In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zotero on WPS. By the end, you'll be able to insert properly formatted citations straight into your document with just a few clicks using the Zotero tools built into WPS Writer. Start by opening your document in WPS Writer and placing your cursor exactly where you want the citation to appear. This simple step saves time later because Zotero will drop the formatted citation right at that insertion point. If you've never used Zotero with WPS before, make sure the Zotero desktop app is installed and running in the background. The WPS integration relies on it. Look at the toolbar at the top of WPS Writer and click the Zotero tab. This reveals the Zotero controls you'll use every time you cite. If you don't see the Zotero tab, confirm that Zotero is open. Once it is, WPS typically recognizes the plugin automatically. Next, click Add Edit Citation. This opens the Zotero citation dialog. The first time you use it in a document, Zotero will ask you to choose a citation style. This matters because it controls how your in-text citations are formatted. Pick the style required by your class, publisher, or organization, for example, APA, MLA, or Chicago. If you're not sure which one to select, choose the one you expect to use most often. You can change it later, and Zotero will reformat your citations across the document for you. After you've chosen the style, click OK to confirm. Now you're in the citation picker. Here, you can either type in the search bar to find a reference by author, title, or keyword, or you can browse your My Library collection to pinpoint the exact item. Searching is great when you remember a detail like the author's last name. Browsing is useful if your references are neatly organized into collections. As you select a source, you can fine-tune details like page numbers if your style requires them. Adding pages now keeps your citation accurate and prevents manual edits later. Once you've selected the correct reference and verified the details, click Accept. Zotero will insert a fully formatted citation at your cursor, matching the style you chose earlier. If anything looks off, you can click Add Edit Citation again while your cursor is on that citation to adjust the source or its details without redoing your work. That's all there is to it. Open your document, head to the Zotero tab, add or edit a citation, choose the right style, confirm, search, or browse your library, and accept. With these steps, you'll create consistent professional citations in WPS Writer quickly and confidently.